Hello, friends, fellows, compatriots, etc. It's been a second, but we were just doing the waiting game for some different things, and now we have everything, or I think, to the best of my knowledge, everything necessary to be legitimately an actual business. So, let's just jump right into it, shall we? I picked up today from the county of Valencia County my business registration. This was one thing that I missed in previous videos, but had to go and register with the county. Luckily, we are not within the village or a city limit, so we only had to register with the county, which I'm really excited about. Since we will not have people coming to our place of business, we didn't have to get the fire inspection. Apparently, if you're going to have people coming to your place of business, that's another thing you have to do. So there's like lots of different stuff, and depending on what you do, it's going to be different for you. But this is just how it is for us doing an art business. We got our bank account finally. It took long enough because we were waiting for our document with our EIN on it. So we got our EIN, we got our bank account. We have our New Mexico registration. So we registered with the state, we registered with federally, we got a bank account, we have our operating agreement, and we have our articles of organization. So we are fully legitimate, fully realized within the eye of the law business. So super stoked on that. Like, whew, that was like a whole process that got a little more intense than I thought it was going to. But, super excited. Now what I'm doing is spending today learning a little bit more about accounting and getting our accounting system set up. So we're trying to run this business, like, on the real cheap. And a lot of people have told me that we need to get an accountant, and I totally feel that, and I understand that. But, you know, we have practically zero income right now. So, I'm gonna try and get us some accounting system set up, just something like small and simple. From what I've learned, the accrual method, it can be better if you're trying to get loans and stuff. So we're not really trying to get loans, but we are gonna do the accrual method. I think for a number of reasons it's a good thing, because you have a better picture of what your income and expenses are in the long run. So with accrual, for instance, if you were to get a large sum of money for like 6 months of work, well, shoot, I'm not even going to try to explain it. It's more spread out over time, pretty much, is what I'm trying to get at. So, like, instead of accounting for something, well, shoot, I don't even want to start getting into it. I've watched some videos on it, and it makes sense whenever they explain it, but I'm not sure that I could make it out to you guys. So watch some other videos on that, because I'm not an accountant, I just play one on TV. Other news, we have, shows coming up in March. We got a show in Denton. We got a show in Dallas, possibly 2. We have 4 shows in Austin at Unofficial South by. And we're trying to get hooked up a show in Kilgore, Texas, my hometown. So hello, Kilgoreites, and I hope to see you soon. What else? I don't know. Got the Etsy up and running. I'll do a video where I'm showing you guys the different stuff that I'm making and selling on Etsy. And then also restarted my vintage store with my sister, so we're selling vintage clothes on Etsy as well. Got our Patreon up and running, so if any of you out there want to support Edible Carnival, go to patreon.com/ediblecarnival, I believe, or you can find it on our website, so ediblecarnival.org, and then about or support the carnival. So through that page, you can find our Etsy, our merchandise page, and the Patreon. we're applying for a large grant, and the deadline is tomorrow. We have it all written, ready to go. I'm gonna run over it one more time, just like double check everything and make sure everything's good to go. So fingers crossed on that. Everyone give us some good thoughts, and hopefully we will get some dollar bills, y'all. There's another one coming up next Thursday too, so we're gonna try to apply for that one as well. And yeah, I've been just super busy trying to get these grants written. We're working on different merchandise items. We're coming out with a line of t-shirts, the Edible Carnival logo on them, so that's really exciting. I'd like to do grocery bags and stuff like that. So just to get some, you know, the logo out, some stuff that people might like and want to have around. I'm not going to put the t-shirts up on the website just yet because I want to take them on tour and sell them on tour. But if you're interested in a t-shirt, just email me, ediblecarnival@gmail.com, or hit me up on social media somewhere and we'll get you hooked up with that. Other than that, yeah, I'm just super excited. I can't think of anything else that's going on with the business right now. I just need to jump back in to learning accounting so I can get our accounts all set up. Because we did make 2 sales! We made 2 sales on Etsy, actually 3 and actually 4. So we did 2 sales of these little campfires that I'm making. I sold one of our cooler bags to someone through our merchandise store, and another cooler bag with like a special, did like a Valentine's Day gift for a lady. So did one of our cooler bags and then filled it with candy and like put in a little Valentine and stuff like that. So if you're interested in any of that kind of services, let me know. Anyway, thanks guys, and subscribe to the channel. You can hear me say a lot. I'll also be posting videos of songs that we make up and who knows what else. I'm shooting for doing a video on YouTube every Tuesday and Thursday from now on, which is a whole lot. But I have some already done. I have some in the backlogs, and I have some that need to be edited. So I think it's doable. And I'm excited to be able to do that finally, because, you know, you just don't get as much traffic if you're not posting like that. And it's really what I want to be, you know, I want to be posting at that frequency, even if only 14 of you are watching. So, yeah. What else? Oh, I could give you a sneak peek. Check it out. Some of my vintage items that we're gonna put up soon. What is going on? Wow. Wow. Just wow. Have you ever, could you ever, would you ever, do you understand? I don't think you do. So trying to do shirts, because personally I love a nice slouchy button-up shirt. Oh, I could show you, hold on a second. Look, if you can just wait there. We have these gorgeous, fresh, hot off the presses Edible Carnival shirts. We have them in the ladies' sizes as well as the men's regular neck, not a V-neck. So that's really exciting. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much the story. So until next time, I'll give you guys an update on how I do on the accounting front. So that's really, it's exciting because it's a challenge. But other than that, oh, the other thing that I want to let you know about is I started developing a document that has a whole bunch of artist grant opportunities. And so that's, you know, visual arts, but also there's literary arts, performing arts, that kind of stuff on there. So I will leave a link in the description down below here telling you guys where that document is. It's a Google spreadsheet, and I've made it public because I want it to be free for people to access. If you want to go look at it, that's totally chill. Head on over to that. And if you want to, I'm not going to charge people for it, but if you're interested in throwing me a couple bones, hit up the Patreon, which I'll put right down there also. You give me $1 or something like that, a couple dollars. As you may know, Patreon is a monthly subscription service. So, you know, just if you're interested in doing that, I would really appreciate it, because I've been spending a lot of time searching for grants and stuff like that, and just filling out this document, and I want to make that available for free. But if you have a couple of dollars that you want to send my direction for making that available to you, I would be super appreciative, because, you know, I enjoy the work and I'm happy to do it, and I'm super happy that I'm like able to start this business and get these things off the ground, and really, I feel like it is playing to my strengths, which are the ability to multitask and do lots of things and have a lot of balls in the air and keep them rolling in the air, rolling balls. And so it's just, it's a huge opportunity for me, and any support, if you want to buy some merch, if you want to support us on Patreon, if you want to share the page, you know, or share our website or the YouTube video, or, you know, just like it or like comment on it, it would be really appreciated, because I want to keep doing this. Like, I want to do the Edible Carnival, I want to make the big artworks, I want to take it on tour and bring it to see you guys. So that's all. I'm gonna stop saying I'm working on that. This is something that I'm working on. I'm not gonna crop this video though, because I kind of feel like if I can just keep it like streamlined, and no one will watch 11 minutes of this anyway, so. But anyway, hope you are well, and I will see this camera next time.